been with Nacro for 9 years. I started as a volunteer and then I became a sessional staff member, which I've been doing ever since. We're an outdoor learning provision, providing outdoor learning opportunities, bike riding, orienteering, Duke of Edinburgh Awards for children, young people, adults, and training courses as well. Duke of Edinburgh Awards has been a big part of getting me into the outdoors when I was younger, and I wanted to be able to give back in some way, so I became a volunteer. I've had an incredible experience. I've learned absolutely loads, got qualifications, outdoor qualifications, and I'm teaching now, which is awesome. I really feel like what we do makes a difference, getting more people outdoors. Classrooms are not for everybody, so providing opportunities for young people to learn really practical skills, but also try new things in a new environment. The best thing about Nacro is it feels like a family. We have a small staff team, but we have a huge volunteer team who are all incredible. A really diverse mix of people brought together just because we love getting more young people outdoors and other parts of the community as well. If I had to sum up Nacro in one word, I would say it's all about opportunity. I'm excited that it's the 60th anniversary of Nacro, and I hope it's still here in 60 years to come, doing amazing work, supporting people who really need it, whether that's through education, through housing, through advocacy, or like us, supporting young people who are, struggling, keeping them on the right track through getting outdoors, learning new things.